consolation final on the goal. Here we have Lenny Kotsamaras as it wins 1 lane for 2. Also assistant. Aiden Rafferty is up 6 for 2 teams in Kansas. And then 1 and 2. Then we have Rafferty, Arizona State 3 lane 4. Also for Kansas, John Seed in this consolation final. Lydia Lafferty. Gracie Avenue 5, lane number 6. Jordan Graber, Ellis Frank 7. Anna Edwards 8. At that 50. It is Peyton Rafferty. Arizona State freshman leading the lane, and she aligned in prelims this morning with a deep cut. 53-53, she added 27 pounds in the second and finding herself in this consolation final. And a deep cut for the ladies. And Chicago has also won that championship final 53-53. And almost a straight line right to the finish. And at the